she secured a PhD admission into University of Leeds, UK with 100% AHRC funding, which was worth nearly 1.5 crore, which is amazing. And I'm so happy and thrilled that our coachee from Elevate was able to crack this huge thing. And I'm really excited today to welcome her to have a discussion with us about how did she achieve her outcomes very fast. People spend a lot of years trying to get into it, but I think in a very short of span of time, as she mentioned to me, just in 6 to 7 months or 7 to 8, maybe she was able to practice. So we would love to hear more from her as to how she did that. So join me in welcoming Nanda DS. Over to you, Nanda. Welcome, a very warm welcome to Elevate, and we would love to know more about you.
Thank you, Shafi ma'am. Thanks a lot for welcoming to this program, and I'm so happy to share my experiences and journey with you.
Thank you so much, Nanda. Yeah, I'm so happy that, one of our Elevate coachee is able to crack such a great, I think it's one of your outcomes that you had set, right? Because I remember when we met, you were discussing about what to do and all that. At that time only I saw that passion in you. And I'm so happy that, you actually were able to figure out the right outcomes for you based on what your personality is. You mapped them, and once you were clear with your outcomes, you went, full 10% charging to achieve your outcomes, and you were able to do it in record time. So hats off to you. Congratulations once again, and over to you. We'd love to know more about everything about you and how did you make this possible.
Yes, ma'am. I'm happy to share that. So it started like when we met for the first time, I think the last January ending, I guess. So you were talking about me regarding this career consulting center and how to achieve the dreams, how to dream more and everything regarding. And you also sent me a personality test regarding that. So I remember that day itself when I reached back hostel, I just filled out that and to find out like what is my personality. I was very eager like to know me more about me from all the time. I really want to know more about myself. So then I just filled out that form, and then I got the result of like I'm a reformer. So the explanation was also there in the form, like in the answer sheet. It was there that you are the reformer, and the kind of personality that they mentioned was that you want to bring some kind of change in the society. For that, you are willing to take some steps further than others. You have some leadership qualities. You have some ideas embedded in you, which is a bit different from others. So while I was going through that, I was trying to connect. Am I a reformer? Then I understood. Yeah, I like to bring some kind of changes in the field of animal rights. So I think I'm an activist. Yes, right. I'm doing some kind of works for the betterment of animals. So these things are true. Like some kind of reformer is there inside me, but it's not a full-fledged reformer, but a small kind of budding reformer was there inside me by that time. Then, then I came to know, yeah, so this might be my personality. Then I have some abilities to do that. So my area is academics. That was like I knew that academics is my area. So within academics, how can I bring reforms? So that was my thought process. And then I understood like what is my area of interest? That is animals. Then connecting animals and academics. Then I came to the subject animal history. So this is how I met my passion, my personality with my interest. So this is how I think you helped me to navigate